There are many birds which are simply amazing divers, such as penguins which have lost the ability to fly. This flightless Galapagos cormorant, likewise, which has lost the ability to fly. Others, such as puffins, which have very similar adaptations to what we see in the southern hemisphere in penguins. But in addition to these more extreme examples, there are many diving birds which we can find in the United States. There are a great variety of diving ducks. There are double crested cormorants. There are loons. There are pied-billed grebes. So many birds practice this diving lifestyle. And there are many adaptations which one can observe in diving birds which help them dive and adapt into this lifestyle. Now, since many of these birds are not closely related, these diving adaptations would have evolved separately, so they are not necessarily shared among all diving birds or comparable. There might be similar biological mechanisms. So, for example, diving birds tend to be larger birds. Their feathers seem to be modified to trap less air, and especially in colder areas where birds are diving into deeper water, may provide more insulation. These birds rely more heavily on the preen oil gland, which provides waterproofing. The wing size is often reduced, and as I mentioned, some birds may have lost the ability to fly. The feet are often larger with webbed toes, which provides propulsion through the water. And there are diverse modifications of metabolic rate, heart rate, oxygen consumption, stores, and other biological variables, but these are noted to be different among the different groups of diving birds.